There's a world that lives inside me, quiet, steady, always near. I can turn away from knowing, yet it remains forever here. It does not vanish when unnoticed. It does not fade when unseen. It is a source beneath experience, the place where all things begin. When I forget this inner presence, life feels distant, split and wide. Yet the truth remains unchanged, waiting patiently inside. The same present state. Events speak the language of it. Circumstances mirror its tone. Every path and passing encounter reflects the inner realm I've known. What I once searched for in distance reveals itself close and true. Awareness gathers into unity. Separation falls away. The inner world becomes visible in the ordinary flow of each day. I recognize this to be.